Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. A new captain will be named to lead the Jamaica Scorpions this season as regular skipper John Campbell sets his focus on the West Indies' upcoming three-test series away to New Zealand starting December 2. Garfield Jones tells us more.
The selectors of the Jamaica Cricket Association have been forced to consider a new captain for the Jamaica Scorpions in next month's regional Super 50 competition, as opener John Campbell has signalled his intention to focus on the three-test series against the Black Caps of New Zealand. TVJ Sports understands that the selectors met in the last 72 hours to make a recommendation for the new skipper to the board, which is expected to get ratification by early next week. Coach Robert Haynes confirmed with TVJ Sports that discussions have been held regarding the selection of the new captain.
Well, that is something that selectors and I have discussed, and I can't really say much on that. It's something that have to go to the board. But we have people who are capable, and at the end of the day, it doesn't matter who's going to captain Jamaica, but I know that whosoever is going to captain will have the support of all the players. They have the support of the management team. And it's something that we're looking forward to because we are a team, we live together, we play together, and that's what it's all about.
Now, according to TVJ Sports sources who spoke on condition of not being named, middle-order batsman Brad Barnes was one of 3 candidates recommended by the selectors. It's understood that Kirk McKenzie and Pete Salmon are also possible candidates. The CG United Regional Super 50 tournament will run from November 19 to 29 in Trinidad and Tobago across 3 venues. Meanwhile, fresh off his maiden test century in India, Campbell has set clear goals for his future in the longest format with the men in maroon. The Super 50 tournament clashes with West Indies' tour to New Zealand. However, Campbell, who was present at the Scorpions' final practice game at Kensington Cricket Club on Tuesday, spoke about building on that performance.
I've been playing a few years now, in and out, but that first century meant a lot to me. I've been not gotten any scores in the first 3 innings. You know, it was very important for me to get some runs in that last innings for confidence and also to put up a fight with the team.
Now, before his 115 in India, Campbell's previous test best of 68 was coincidentally scored during the West Indies December 2020 COVID pandemic year tour to New Zealand. The 32-year-old Campbell wants to apply the lessons learned in India into Kiwi land, along with his new opening partner, Tagenarine Shandapal of Guyana. Shandapal is Campbell's 3rd test opening partner since his recall to Test cricket versus Australia in July, following his previous outing in June 2022. The others are former test captain Craig Brathwaite and Mikhail Louis.
It's about just being positive and being clear in my approach. Once I'm clear and positive, I think that I always get the best out of myself. Well, it was a good partnership. It's a little bit of contrast. I'm a more aggressive player, and he is more gritty. I just think whoever it is, we just need to get the team off to a good start. It's very important, especially in Test cricket, to get off to a good start. So if we get off to a good start, then the other batsmen will have life easier.
West Indies Test tour to New Zealand is set to begin with a 3-day warm-up beginning on November 26th. The first of 3 tests begins on December 2nd in Christchurch, New Zealand. The Windies are bottom of the 2025 to 2027 World Test Championship table with 5 defeats against Australia and India. New Zealand, however, will be playing their first test of the cycle. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.
In the meantime,